Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Cleaning your Dyson SV26 vacuum cleaner is essential for maintaining its performance and extending its lifespan. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the entire cleaning process step by step. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, a microfiber cloth, and warm soapy water. Having everything ready will streamline your cleaning process. Begin by unplugging your Dyson SV26 from the power source to ensure safety. Next, remove the canister by pressing the release button. Take it to your sink and empty any dust and debris. A good tip is to use a soft brush to gently remove any stubborn particles stuck inside the canister. Now, rinse the canister with warm soapy water. Avoid using harsh chemicals as they might damage the plastic. Make sure to let it dry completely before reattaching it. While the canister dries, let's focus on the filter. To access the filter, locate the filter cover at the top of the vacuum. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew it. Remove the filter and rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. It's crucial to let the filter air dry for a minimum of 24 hours before reinserting it back into the vacuum. If you find this process a bit daunting, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. While waiting for the filter to dry, let's clean the brush bar. Flip the vacuum over and examine the brush bar. Look for any tangled hair or debris. Use your scissors to carefully cut away any hair that's wrapped around it. Once cleared, wipe the brush bar with a damp microfiber cloth to remove dust. If it feels overwhelming, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Next, we'll check the hose for clogs. Detach the hose from the vacuum and visually inspect it for any blockages. If you notice any, use a long object, such as a broom handle, to gently push out the debris. Don't forget, no calls, no travel. Our service can help you with this too if you're not comfortable doing it yourself. After checking for clogs, it's time to clean the exterior of your vacuum. Dampen a microfiber cloth with warm soapy water and gently wipe down the outside surfaces. Avoid submerging the vacuum in water. It's important to keep the electrical components dry. Finally, let's reassemble everything. Ensure that the canister and filter are completely dry before putting them back. Secure the filter cover and check that everything clicks into place. If you need a detailed quote before repair or further assistance, we're here to help. With your Dyson SV26 cleaned and reassembled, you're now ready to enjoy optimal performance. Regular maintenance will ensure that your vacuum lasts longer and operates efficiently. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.